the flowers bloom, or sleep until 2, that's okay too. There's no wrong way for us to spend our days. We could live a little, slow down just for a minute. It's all going to hell, no need to dwell, we might as well try to live a little, cause there's a lot of living. We got room to grow, places to go, we'll never know. If we don't, just live a little. If we don't let go, and just live a little. There's no wrong way for us to spend our day. And time's not gonna wait. Ooh, it's there for us to take. We could always chill in Rome, gotta catch a flight back home. Take a walk in the park, say au revoir. Once upon a world